What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. It's a green day. We're gonna take a look at the charts. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin. I don't know, the lines that I put on the charts work pretty well. I will say that. We'll take a look at that. I'll give you my thoughts with another day of information. We're going to take a look at what BlackRock said. What BlackRock said is going to be very, very bullish. We're going to take a look again at the Hong Kong numbers for the ETFs because it's important. It's very important. I'll give you my ideas on that. And then we're going to finish off with altcoins because we haven't looked at altcoin charts basically all week. And really, the money is made in low cap altcoins, guys, and there are a lot of deals right now. There's a lot of discounts, so we're gonna take a look at as many of those as we can because at the end of the day, I want you guys to make a lot of money in this market, and it's totally doable. I don't want to be the only one. It's more fun when it's more people. And so, without further ado, let's do this. I don't know if the word is mantras, but just one of the things that I say to myself a lot is, I can't be free unless we're all free. All right, let's do this. Bitcoin, and that's why I want as many people as possible to be free, financially free. We're always gonna have our problems, but at least if we got the money side taken care of, we don't have to worry about that. Then that's the big one. All right, Bitcoin. So last 2 days, right? The 30th and the beginning of the month, May 1st, dropped. Look at the wicks though. The wicks, there's fighting, but we dropped anyways. There's fighting, and it's crazy how it just really wicked right to this line, right? This ascending line. And if you watch you know that this line, you know, most of these lines have been here for a while. So it's not like I'm just adjusting it based on this. It's just how these things work sometimes. Sometimes astrology is right. 59,045, and I say that because a lot of people call technical analysis looking at charts astrology, okay, male astrology. I actually will read astrology from I guess the female one too. I mean, anyways, back to this. So we are above this area right here, this area of support at 58,164. Okay. A lot of people speculate the reason this dropped so much was because the Fed was speaking yesterday, and people were just front running, expecting the Fed to say something bad, and it turned out they didn't say much. They didn't really say anything bad. I mean, Powell was relatively he wasn't as hawkish, meaning he wasn't as like, yeah, we're just gonna, he was he sounded like he was flexible, and he took a good step in essentially quantitative easing, right? They're going to reduce quantitative tightening, which is going to put more money into the system, and generally speaking, when there's more money in the system, people feel richer, and when people feel richer, they get riskier. And that money finds its way into crypto, Bitcoin, all right, and all the way down. Okay, so what can I say? I think we just got to wait and see what happens here. Okay, it's just really a wait and see. I made 0 buys today because it's a red day, and just because it's a green day, and just because it's a green day doesn't mean that it can't keep dropping. It could be that it's just taking a breather, like right here, for example, right? 3 red days, breather, and then right back down. So it could be that we have a breather and right back down, but we'll see. I didn't make any buys. I'm just holding the capital that I do have for the right opportunities. Okay, here's what I wanted to talk to you about. The Balkunis. Where is this guy? I'm on Twitter, guys. You should probably get on Twitter. There's a lot of information. There's a lot of crap, just like everywhere. Here we go. But if you follow the right people, just follow me, Velez Crypto, and then follow everyone I follow, and then you will have a feed of just a bunch of information. It's up to you to go through it. But all right, so this guy, Eric Balkunis, Hong Kong saw $292 million in assets on day one. They predicted $1 billion in 2 years. Okay, so they're ahead of schedule, like he said. But remember, I like to add, and he does say, I think here, ebbs and flows, guys, ebbs and flows. Okay, so he just breaks down the inflows of the different providers. Okay. Yeah, so that's one thing. And what I want to mention here is, what I want to add really is that all these things add up. I've talked about the Hong Kong ETF saying that because I followed these guys, and they were saying it wasn't going to be a lot of volume, and it wasn't going to be a lot of money coming in from them compared to the US, right? Because we're talking about difference in sizes of the differences are in orders of magnitude. So I mean, the U.S. is giant and their capital is giant, and these guys, I mean, are big, but compared to the U.S., they're not. So, but still, that's money. That's Bitcoin being taken off, right? And then what happens when other countries come in and other sovereign wealth funds, other countries and other institutions, right? That's the second wave, and this is what BlackRock expects: spot ETF trading by sovereign wealth. Okay, Robert Mitchum, and I saw this from Watcher Guru on Twitter. That's why you got to watch. Get Twitter if you don't have it. BlackRock says sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, and endowments will trade spot ETFs soon. So that's the second wave, guys. That's a lot of money that's coming into crypto. It's a lot of money that's buying Bitcoin, and it's supply of 20 million. And I don't know how much is gone because of it being lost, but a chunk. There's not much that's to be played out there. I think at some point there will be some type of supply shock, where the price just bumps up hard. And you want to be in the market when that happens. You don't want to time it. You just want to be in the market. You just want to be in the market waiting. Time in the markets is better than timing the markets. Okay, I hope you understand what that means. The longer you're in the market, the better off you are, to an extent. Okay, well, is the better off you are relative to you trying to get in at the right time, because everyone tries that and very few succeed, if any. All right, anyways, Robert Mitchnick, head of digital assets for BlackRock, anticipates that financial institutions such as sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, and endowments will start trading in spot ETFs in the coming months. So that second wave is getting closer and closer. Then it just goes on to talk about the impending demand. But the most important part was right there. All right, sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, endowments. Okay, hundreds of millions, if not billions, probably billions and billions of dollars, guys. Okay, billions and billions of dollars. That's, check this out. I don't really spend too much time here. Market cap. Okay, and in coin market cap, the market cap of the total market is up here in the corner on the left. Okay. By the way, BTC dominance here and ETH gas fees are there. It's been really cheap lately. 15. I've seen it in single digits, and I've never seen that. And during when things get crazy, this is going to be through the roof, and it's going to be horrible if you have ETH coins. Anyways, but at least hopefully you'll be in a lot of profits, so it'll suck less, but it'll still suck. Market cap 2.21 trillion. Okay, I believe at the height of a bull run that this market cap right here will add a one in front of that. It could be anywhere between 10 and 12 trillion dollars, I believe. Okay, that's how much I expect the FOMO and everything to really take hold, and the parabolic phase of this market is just going to be super intense, super intense. I can't wait. Once I feel that, I will be selling into that as much as I can, because then that pretty much that's the top is then. Okay, so things are looking positive. Right? What a difference a day makes. Let's see what happens. Although again, like I mentioned, it could just be a green day, and then we come back down here and test again. Who knows? Or maybe we just blast back up here and this was a fake out. All right, time will tell. We have to play it day by day. Now let's look at altcoins. I haven't taken a look at altcoins in forever, and I've used up a lot of time, so I'm gonna try to be as quick as possible. Right? Here we go. First one. Relio is a freaking steal right now. It went as high as $3.33. It's at $1.50, guys. At $1.50. Real world asset king. Land share coming down this thing. When will eventually stop? I don't know. But as we get closer to the stop, I can get a better idea. Although, again, if the market really just is topping out around here, bottoming out around here, then I don't expect it to drop too much, guys. But again, the strategy of dollar cost average is always at play, okay? And that'll make sure that you get as close to the best price possible, okay? Buying in a bit at a time. Landshare, great project, $2.96. How high was it? $8.19, guys. Deep discount. What kind of discount is that? 63%. 63% discount, guys. Come on, man. I hope you guys are doing the right thing. At the low, 60% discount on Rio, guys. Oh my God, that's so crazy. Credify. A lot of them you can see now are going down this line. Eventually, a line like this, right? Eventually, it'll break sideways and boom, break out. And once I see a bunch of those breaking out, then you know like that next leg is starting to happen. Not the blow up top, just the next leg up. There will be, how I see it, there'll be a next leg up before we start really ascending. All right, that's Credify. Credify, another good real world asset play, guys. 2 cents, almost 6 cents. From 6 cents to 2 cents, guys. Come on. Killer project, doing bonds and stuff like that. Always very professional. If you don't know, Credify, what they do is they work with CMEs. What is it? Small and mid-sized enterprises. Okay, in Europe. So they give loans to those entities, and they're also providing like tokenized bonds. Okay, that's the next thing that's coming out. They're coming up with all these types of little financial products, guys, and it's such a low cap. These are all low caps, guys. Still, I mean, Rio is already at like 100 million, but Landshare is like at like 10, 12. Credify is also the same. Let's take a look really quick. Credify, where are you? Landshare is at 11.5 million market cap. Look at that. That's crazy. It's nothing. Rio, I think, is like 130 or something like that. Still relatively new. Some people call that a low cap. Damn, I can't find Credi. I have to do this fast. Damn it. Credi, what are you? 17 million market cap, guys. Oh my god. I'm giving you guys straight winners. Stobox. And they are winners because these things have moved a lot during the RWA part of when the RWA was shining. These things were moving. My portfolio was up huge, almost 6x. Stobox, 50, because I'm very heavy in RWAs. Stobox, STBU. So I know what I'm talking about. This project is amazing. What is the again, a real world asset play, again over in Europe, and they help other projects tokenize. 15 million market cap. Holy crap, that is so crazy. This is what you should be looking at. I'm not buying these things, guys, because I already have nice bags. Okay, I already have nice bags of all this stuff. So I'm just buying other stuff to kind of just diversify. And although maybe some would say I'm over diversified, but still, it's worked for me so far. Trias. It's a great price, $8.35. How high has it been? $18. How high has Stobox been? 29 cents. It's at 15. Stobox is held on pretty well. That should also tell you something. UBXS, another real world asset play. Look at that. It's showing a little bit of strength. It's on the other side of this line, right? It might be one of the ones that moves first. That might be a first mover. Let's see what this one is. I know this market cap is pretty low too. I was buying this thing really cheap too, 4 cents. 59, 60%. A lot of these are 60%, guys. Huge discounts, guys. 27 cents has been as high as, again, as 68 cents. Where did I buy this bad boy at? 4 cents. I'm up. UBXS, let's just take a look. UBXS. Market cap, 15 million. Oh my God. All right, it's early, guys. This bad boy right here, makes the other ones look huge, but it's got a working game. 0.007. How high has it been? I think it's like almost 2 cents. 0.008. Because I bought the top. 0.018. Almost 2 cents. 0.018. We're gonna get back up there, guys. That would be almost a 2x. That would be almost a 2x. So I made some more buys with the capital that I had recently. Sinverse, great project. It's doing an inverse head and shoulders. Let's take a look really quickly of what Sin's number is, because it's low. 4.5 million brand new, and look at the volume on that. 1.2 million compared to that. There are some projects that have like a 4 in front of that, for like 44 million market cap, and their volume is like less than a million. I'm like, what the heck? Sinverse is doing a lot of stuff. Eventually the market will catch on. Great area to buy, guys. How much of a drop is this? 60%, 63%. So all these projects that are down 60%, just getting back to where they are, that's 140%. That's just easy money. Easy money, guys. Come on, man. Creo Engine, 0.08. I'm back to break even on this little bag thing. Good area, because at one point, I was up a good little chunk of money here with this little bag buy, 155%. So this thing is down around 60% too, right? 61%, 59, 60%, guys. All right. Prop S, another one this is a great buy area right here. Where's it? Creo, 0.08 cents. It was as high as 20 cents, guys. Prop S, as high as 29 cents, 28 cents, and right now it's at 11 cents. I bought it at a penny. People really like this project. It's new. Obviously, you can tell the chart is brand new. 59, 60%, guys. All right, all these things are like almost 2x gains when it comes back to the top. Prop S, another real world asset play. Tectum is one that I would be buying if my average buy price wasn't $4.46. 17 cents. It's been as high as, I'm sorry, not 17 cents, $17.65. It's been as high as $46. It's already at 100 something market cap. Okay. So, you know, something as beautiful as 4.5 million market cap. You're not going to see from Tectum, but still, Tectum could probably fly pretty high. I think it could probably do a 50 to 80x. 180 million market cap already. I wrote that up. I don't know where the market cap was here, but it wasn't at 180. $17 right now. How much of a drop is that? 60%. So they're all 60%. And I think maybe that's where we'll be more or less topping out at Tectum. At 60%. Nakamoto Games, another one that's probably going to be the axis of this, the darling of this bull run. It's at 100 something million market cap, down 49%. It was down more recently, but it has moved up. I am actually underwater on this little trade, this little injection of capital here at $1.99. No biggie, because my big bag, this is a small little bag. My big bag is over here at 42 cents. All right, guys. So I've been on this, and I've been trying to spread the good word. Or AI chain, an AI play. Nakamoto game is a gaming play. Tectum is what would Tectum be? A layer 2 play? A layer 2 play? A layer 1 play? Let's see really quick. What are the tags on it? Cyberscope. Layer 1. Okay, it would be classified as a layer 1 play. Okay, Tectum, and they're trying to do things with a what's the ecosystem there? Bitcoin. All right, they're trying. It's an interesting project. It really is. I'm not going to take the time to kind of explain it because it's hard to explain. We have to go over it. But it is an interesting project, and I think it's going to do really well. Already 100 something million, but still definitely worth a good look, especially at $17, guys. Come on. Nakamoto Games already discussed, $1.64. Great buy. Ori Chain AI play going up this line. $9.51. It's been as high as $21. I'm gonna have to stop in a minute, guys, unfortunately. 54%. Okay, so I mean that's held out pretty strong, relatively speaking. And I think we're gonna end it there. We'll stop at RAI. There's quite a few more. Intriguing one, another RWA play. This one, it's at an interesting price. It's getting close to my my buy price. It's at like 5 million market cap as well. New project, as you can tell, but it looks pretty good. I'm trying to see if I can catch it down here. If I can catch it down here, I would buy a little bit more. What I don't like is that the WeCoin, it's called WeCoin, right? What I don't like is the volume, 57,000. I haven't put a huge amount of money in, so that's why I wouldn't mind putting a little bit more if it goes underneath my buy price. But that kind of gives me a little bit of a pause why the volume is so low. Market cap is only 3.8 million, so it's again a new project focused on Latin America. And how many of these companies do you hear focused on Latin America? I'll give you the answer. None. Maybe one or two. I don't know them. I don't know them if they exist. Okay, and these are some that I'm looking at. I told you LMR. I should have bought last night, but I was waiting for this, and that's okay. No biggie. If I don't get in it, I don't get in it. I already have a ton of projects. So I'm just trying to be. I am very, very picky. And GraphLink is another one that I'm looking at. I don't know. Maybe right around here is the local floor, and it'd be a good area to buy along with LMR. It would be a pretty good area to buy. Both you should definitely do your homework on GLQ and LMR. Navi is one that I'm still accumulating. I thought maybe we could go down here, but I don't know. Maybe it is everything is just around here in this area that we're in, all across the board in the 60s for the altcoins is more or less I think where we could base out and start moving up from, guys. All right. So has the bottom been in my opinion? I don't know. But I think if it's not, we're close. We're close. That doesn't mean that we can't spend time here for a little while, right? We can't spend time carving out, creating another structure, right? So that's, you know, in this area somewhere around 59,000 and playing just under 60,000 for a few days or maybe a week, and then popping back into 60 or playing with 60 guys. Okay, definitely possible. Take as much advantage of it as you can because the opportunities are getting less and less as we get closer and closer to the parabolic phase of this bull run. But still, looks like maybe you have, you know, some months, a couple of months at the beginning of summer. All right, guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel and all that stuff helps. Until the next one, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.